What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 9 dividend payments that I got in the month of October that allowed me to get a dividend payment of $721.58. Once again, that's 9 dividend payments, which totaled $721.58. So if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne. On this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I talk about my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so right now on the screen is my Robinhood account. This is currently live. It's currently after hours right now, so you're looking at the results as of today. Today is November the 1st. As I'm making this video, you can see that at the bottom of the screen, November the 1st. And currently my portfolio is valued at $208,000. Just to give you guys some perspective, I have invested altogether $260,000. So you can see that here on the screen, $260,000. And I'm really talking about May of 2020 when I started to reinvest back into the market. Okay. Of course, if you want to see some interesting things, of course, you see that the chart is all over the place. Way over here on October the 10th, my portfolio was down $89,000. So just to give you guys some perspective as to what's going on in my portfolio. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the 9 dividend payments that I got, and I'm going to show you where I am with every single company. Okay, so here we go. I will show you here. The first dividend payment was with Huntington Bank on October the 3rd. It was $16.55. At the time, I had 106 shares. Huntington Bank was paying 15 cents per share, and so that equaled $16.55. Of course, that was reinvested, and I got some more shares because I have dividend reinvesting turned on Robinhood. The next one is Vanguard Information Technology ETF, ticker symbol VUG. This pays quarterly, so this was on October the 4th, and as you can see at the time, I had 76.13 shares, and they're paying 76 cents per share. So the total dividend payment was $58.16. The next one up is AGNC Investment. This does pay monthly. That was on October the 12th for $41.38. At the time, I had 344.83 shares, and AGNC Investment is paying 12 cents per share. Once again, that's $41.38. The next one up is Starwood Property Trust. This pays quarterly. At the time, I had 311 shares, and they're paying 48 cents per share, which gave me a total dividend payment of $149.59. The next one up is going to be Stag Industrial. They do pay monthly as well. I had 254 shares at the time, and they're paying 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $30.91. Stag Industrial does pay monthly. The next one up is also another monthly pair. This is Prospect Capital. I got the payment on October the 20th. At that particular time, I had 1,612 shares, and they're paying 6 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $96.73. And then the next one is Amor Residential REIT on October the 28th. They pay monthly. At the current time, I had 1,248 shares, and they're paying 10 cents per share. So my dividend payment was $124.83. Once again, Amor Residential REIT pays monthly. The next one up is MFA Financial. They pay quarterly. At the time, I had 285 shares. They're paying 44 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $125.57. MFA Financial does pay quarterly. And then the very last one I have here is Gladstone Capital, and they do pay monthly. I had at the time 1,112 shares, and they're paying 7 cents per share, as you can see, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $77.86. Okay, so those were the dividend payments that I got in the month of October, and just kind of give you guys a little perspective as to where I am. I'll show you what my average cost is for each company that paid me dividends, and also that the money was reinvested. So with Huntington Bank, you can see my average cost per share is $12.42. My overall return, I'm up 23%, which happens to be $308. So I'm going to show you that the dividend payment that I got was reinvested. As you can see right here on October the 3rd, it was reinvested, and it says Huntington Bank buy, which means they bought shares. Robinhood did it automatically because I have dividend reinvestment plan turned on. So they were able to grab 1.2 shares at $13.70 per share. And right now, Huntington Bank is trading for $15.28, which is pretty neat that I was able to get 1 point whatever shares for $13.70. Okay, so that's with Huntington Bank. Okay, the next one up is VGT, which is Vanguard Information Technology ETF, and currently it's trading for $327.65. My average cost per share is $409.64. My total return is I'm down 20%, which is negative $6,257 and some change. Let me scroll down here and show you guys my most recent payment. This particular ETF has 373 companies, and the top 10 companies are a lot of companies you should know: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Visa, MasterCard, Broadcom, Cisco Systems, Accenture, Salesforce, and Texas Instrument. Okay, so let me show you my most recent dividend payment here, which was on October the 4th for $58.16. And you can see here that they went ahead and buy. It says buy here. And they were able to grab 0.17 shares. And at the time, it was $323 per share. So obviously not a full share, but the money was reinvested automatically for me, and I don't have to think about it. The next one up is AGNC Investment. And as you can see, it's trading currently for $8.24. My average cost is $13.50. My overall return, negative 38%, which is negative $1,839. Let me scroll down to the most recent dividend payment here, $41.38. As you can see, this is a buy order here, October the 12th, and they were able to get 5.20 shares. At the time, it was $7.95, which is good because AGNC right now is trading for $8.24. All right, the next one up is Starwood Property Trust. My average cost per share, $19.37. My total return, I am currently up 7.43%, which is $459. And let me show you that Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some shares. As you can see here, October the 14th, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 7.79 shares at $19.19. So once again, Starwood Property Trust is trading for $20.81. So that worked out beautifully. The next one up is Stag Industrial. Stag Industrial, my average cost per share is $40.16. Stag Industrial is currently trading for $31.59. My total return, I am down currently 21%, which is negative $2,186. So we're going to scroll down and show you my most recent dividend buy here, which, as you can see, Stag Industrial, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 1.04 shares at $29.69 per share. $29.69. Stag Industrial is trading for $31.59. So that's good. It's going to bring my average cost down a little bit. The next one up is Prospect Capital. And as you can see, my average cost per share is $7.26. It is currently trading for $7.29. My total return, I'm currently up 0.43%, which is $51. Scroll down here and show you that Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 13.99 shares. At the time, it was $6.91 per share. So that's really, really good for me because right now it's trading for $7.29. The next one up is Almar Residential REIT. My average cost, $10.56 per share. My total return, I am down negative 49.33%, which for me is negative $6,623. Let me go ahead and show you guys right now on October the 28th, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 23.51 shares. At the time, it was trading for $5.31. One of the cool things about the fact that Robinhood actually grabbed some more shares, so that's 23 more shares, and Almar Residential REIT is paying 10 cents per share. So 23 times 10 cents allows me to get a dividend payment. In addition, I'm going to get $2.30. Let's make sure that I'm right. 23 times 10 cents is $2.30. So my next dividend payment, instead of being $124.83, it's going to be at least $126.83. So that's really, really cool. All right, the next one up is MFA Financial. Currently, they're trading for $9.98. My average cost, $15.16. My total return, I'm down negative 34%, which is $1,541 that I'm down. And let me show you here that Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 12.22 shares. And at the time, it was $10.28 per share. Okay. So right now, once again, it's trading for $9.98. That one didn't work out so well, obviously, because at the time that I'm making this particular video, it's trading lower. And the last one is Gladstone Capital. My average cost, $10.80. My total return, I'm down negative 12%, which is $1,470. And then let's see here how many shares Robinhood was able to grab. 8.14 shares. At the time, it was $9.56 per share. Right now, it is trading for $9.49. Okay. This, once again, is my overall portfolio. It's actually gone up a little bit since the start of this video. But like I said, I wanted to take the time to share with you guys the 9 dividend payments that I got in the month of October. And this is pretty exciting. I mean, $721 is my highest dividend payment that I've gotten in 1 month. So the price fluctuates every month because, of course, I have different companies paying me, monthly, right? So I have some companies paying monthly and some companies paying quarterly. So the dividend payment's never going to be consistent across the board because I don't get a dividend payment from every company every single month. But 721 is pretty exciting, and I know how this works, and that's why I'm kind of investing. And I'm excited to think about what will the dividend payment be in the future. It's 721 today. But 20 years from now, what will that dividend payment be? I don't know, but hopefully I'll be here to make these videos and share with you guys. All right. If you are thinking about getting started in the stock market, go ahead and get started. I mean, just invest in an ETF such as VOO or VTI. VOO is based on the S&P 500. So that's the top 500 companies in the United States. And then VTI is basically the entire stock market. I think it's the entire stock market in regards to the US. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but those are decent ETFs to get started with because you are automatically diversified. All right, that's going to be it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.